Grab the plastic acorn nut, the 3/4-inch carriage bolt, the flange nut, and the black nylon washer, out of the white hardware box that came with the desk hardware. Insert the carriage bolt into the middle of the slot, on the desk arm bracket, then slide the black nylon washer onto the bolt, followed by the flange nut. Insert the bolt on the desk arm bracket, into the hole on the balancing arm, and then use the black acorn nut on the end of the bolt. You do not need to tighten the flange nut too much at this time, because most likely your desk will need final adjustment at the end of the installation process. Repeat the same steps to attach the other desk bracket to the other balancing arm if you opted for a full-width desk board.